Hi, I am Ashfaq. We are Insta trading. We are into visual merchandising and making molds for for the display items at retail. And I work as a designer, design engineer at Insta. We print casing for electronic items and also make replicas of functioning mechanical parts. We use this mainly because the bed size and the volume, so we can print large items in one piece. And also the dual extruder also is very helpful because we can print them the support material in another material. So we don't have a lot of wastage in changing the material, and also the speed. We can print at a high speed and deliver the item to the customer in a reasonable time.